So here I have an LED monitor, and the problem, kind of like TV combination, and the problem with this one is it's not turning on. LED model 190DU. So the first things would be just to test the voltage at the transformer, and I'm getting 12 volts, so that's good. I'm getting the standby light, but when I press the power button, it does not turn on. This is the inside. My original thinking is it's going to be something on the circuit board, the logic board, maybe the processor, I don't know. Well, this test this stuff out here. Who knows what's wrong? So I'm just using the LED tester, and right here goes to the backlight here, and the red goes to the positive and the black to the negative, and we'll just see if it's a backlight issue first. You can see you get 22 volts, and I can actually see the backlight going on, so it's not a backlight issue. So here's the main board, and I was checking the power, and there doesn't seem to be anything, no shorts or anything. And if you flip it over here, it gives you the power indicators. You can see that, 5 volts and 12 volts, all those are fine. And it also has here, you can test out the different things. You have ground, and these are for the buttons, but here's 5 volts. What I believe, since it's not turning on, I believe it's this microprocessor, because this is what does all the signal. You can see there's a clock there. This is like CPU, and there's some EEPROM there, so it's probably an issue with this. We could try to reheat that up to get it going, but we're not too sure about that, if it's going to fix the issue or not. But it's getting power, and the backlights do work. Okay, I verified that the backlights are working by injecting voltage here, so it uses about 32 volts for the backlight.